wondered how Pinkie Pie would whip up a chocolate cake? Let's make a magical treat straight out of Ponyville. Step 1. Cream together 75 grams of sugar and 80 grams of butter. Stir with the end of rainbow dash. Fast and vigorous until it's smooth and fluffy.
New recipe. I've got it there. Right, I'm that more.
Now cracking one egg. Keep mixing until the butter is smooth as Rarity's mane on a gala night. In another bowl, mix your dry ingredients. 100 grams of self-raising flour, 20 grams of cocoa powder, and a sprinkle of harmony. I approve of precise measurements. Then blend all together. Add the dry mix into the wet mix, mix by it and stir until your batter looks like pure chocolatey magic. Butter your nicotine, lather with oil, and pour in your batter. Pinkie's dip. Smooth at the top to make it as perfectly as a cupcake pyramid. Pop into the preheated oven at 160 Celsius and bake for 25 minutes, or until the pork comes out clean. Apple Jack says patience is key. While the cake cools, let's make the topping. Melt 60 grams of cooking chocolate with 20 grams of butter until frosty. It's the magical finishing touch. Drizzle or slather the chocolate topping over your cool cake. Rarity said it's all about presentation dialect, so make it shine. And there you have it, a Ponyville perfect chocolate cake that's magical as friendship and a friendship rainbow. That was recipe. Give it a like, share it with your herd, and subscribe for more magical bakes. Comment below with your favorite pony-inspired treats.